Hi, my name is Trisa. You can call me Risa. Welcome to Anju Risa channel. It's another fabric mask tutorial, and trust me, this one will be easy peasy. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. Prepare the fabric. I'm using cotton fabric for this face mask. Fold the fabric with the right sides together. This fabric should be larger than our template. I'll show you how to draw the template. We're gonna prepare a paper with the size 11 cm by 14 cm. I suggest you to use centimeter measurement to be more precise. Mark this part with the red dots and pay attention to the sizes. Then connect the dot like this. And your template is finished. With the fabric folded, draw this part. And we're going to sew this later. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can hand stitch this. Just need a little patience and time, of course. I have done sewing, and we're going to cut the template. Depending on your seam allowance, mine is about 1 cm. So I cut about 1 cm larger than the template. Cut this part to make it easier to iron the fabric. I'm going to press this part. You can use any fabric for this face mask as long as you are comfortable. And you can see it's beautiful. Prepare another piece with the same measurement, and another one for the filter pocket. Cut the filter pocket. About 3 or 4 cm is fine. If my English isn't clear, you can turn on the subtitle in this video. I provide the subtitle in other languages. You can tell me in the comment below if the translator works well or not. Next one is to finish the side, just a little. This is to hide the raw edges of our fabric. So press the fabric before sewing. Hold the fabric with fabric clips. I received advice from my audiences to use clips rather than a pin or needle, because pinholes are bad for your face mask. Next is to simply sew these parts to hide the raw edges. I received many suggestions that my tutorial is too fast and I need to show the sewing process. You can skip the sewing process if you want. Our filter pocket is finished, and it's time to join all fabrics together. First, I'll join these two with the right sides of fabric facing the same direction. And the last one, place it with the right sides together. Again, I'm using fabric clips because pinholes are bad for your face mask. I'm gonna take this to sewing machine and sew this part. trim this part to prevent the fabric from bulky when we turn it inside out. Now it's time to turn the fabric inside out. Because turning fabric is quite time-consuming, I'll be back after a year. Phew, finally! I'm done turning the fabric. Next is to press the fabric for the last time. It's important to press the fabric before sewing to have a nice finish. For this part, tuck the fabric inside. We'll attach the elastic band later. Do the same to the other side. Prepare the elastic band. My size is about 15 cm or 6 inches. If you think this is too small, you may want to use 18 cm or 7 inches. Attach the elastic band here and make sure that the elastic band isn't twisted. Again, I'm using fabric clips. If you don't have fabric clips, you can use other clips that won't leave a hole on your face mask. If you have other advice, feel free to leave a comment. In my spare time, I always read all the comments on my videos. Sew around the face mask for the last time, about 1 mm to have a nice finish. Our face mask is finished, and you can see the nice finish if we sew the edges. Insert any sort of filter material here. I learned from my audiences in the comments that many recommend the HEPA filter. And there you go! Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.